Hi, I'm Manuel Ignacio Abril Tequextle. I'm studying mechatronic engineering, and my project was design and installation of a photovoltaic system for interconnection to network. The subject is practice in profession, and I made this practice in solar energía solar. In this first subject, our main project was the installation of a photovoltaic system, but first we start to familiarize with the products that solar sells. In my case, I took the design and my task was making planes of a solar light, how it's structured and the parts that it has. In this project, we are three students of lab, and we have to make solar lights, solar heaters, and electric solar plants. And the supervisor gives us the project and the measures. And the project is about how to design and make an electrical installation, but first we have to know what are the parts the lights or the solar heaters or electrical solar plants are made, and after the installation we have to know every part, and each part is are assembled. Uh, of my first goal is introduce with the products that solar sells and what is the system that they use, in which area I will more focus, and in my interest is in the design and drawing. It is necessary to have the measures and the diagrams and a photography for the light, and we should to make it the most similar possible. And for this part, I made a solar light like this, with the poles, bases, panels, and other components that it has. In my goals are my three of the most commercial solar lights in Creo, with the purpose to present complete the design and having a better idea how we're going to work in the next course. The three most commercial lights are the 6 meters, 8 meters, and 9 meters. Also, we have to design the 12 meters and 10 meters. Also, we have to make it in 3D with the closest proximity to the real ones, to keep reality in the plans of the luminaries in the middle tune report. We have only one of them, but for this one it's necessary to develop all of them. In the specification, it is necessary to make in a CAD software, and the supervisor told us that it was necessary to make it in CATIA, SolidWorks, or PTC Creo Parametric, and my choice was Creo Parametric. And in my computer I have Creo Parametric 4.0, the student edition, and in this software I made the diagrams and plans. It's necessary to give him plans with measures and the assembly, other parts assembled and another with the parts exploded, where we can see how are made. Also, we have necessary to make a list with each part that we need to design, and we have 3 posts, cement bases, an arm that it was sold to the post, the light, and 3 different battery boxes, and solar panels. with different power values and different measures and dimensions. In this imagine, we can see the regulation that I found the NOM, the Norma Oficial Mexicana, and this is for management pronouns, the standards that we must comply in an electrical installation. Also, in CFE, we have a regulation that is the interconnection to electrical network in low tensions, and also we have this regulation to safety conditions to perform work at heights. We have also the regulation of ISO 9060 of solar energy, specification and classification of instruments for measuring hemispherical solar and direct solar radiation, and ISO 50001 that the objective is to achieve reduction in energy cost, gas emissions of greenhouse effects, and this standard specifies that requirements energy management system should to comply this for the company can make an energy policy. In this project, my contributions, I think that is in the first period, my contribution was more in the design and drawing of the product diagrams for company using to close sales and keep interested the customers. Also, I can make something that help the sellers, and if the company hiring people to teach them what they need for according installations. The supervisor will have diagram to capacitation and examples in future courses, because this company also do conferences and courses that in which they teach how they made panels and solar lights, also how they make how they made the numbers, and also explication of function and parts that have the solar heaters or the solar lights. My learning, I learned to manipulate parametric software, investigate about new tools and how to explode diagrams, because I had a course, but I forgot how to explode the diagrams and how to make a correct plan. And also it was necessary to have feedback from the supervisor to agree the measures and discuss the best way to make it. From this part, as we can see, I give the diagrams and the draw of this light exploded. The first purpose, it was accomplished because we find a way to show the solar products, and we achieved design 3 complete. Also, we have a parts catalog that we can use in the future to make more plans of other products that use the same pieces. For example, I design batteries and battery boxes. Also different measures of posts that we can use, or solar panels that we can use in another projects for my co-workers are made it. I can use more of the abilities learned in the university, and it's necessary to pay attention to other projects to make another task of design, which is the area that I'm most interesting because is one of the areas that I like more, and it's why I go to Solert. Finally, this is my experience. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.